and welcome back to Piano with Des. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to play one of the most popular piano pieces ever written. This piece is called Bagatelle No. 25 in A minor by Ludwig van Beethoven. But you probably know it by its nickname, Für Elise, translated to For Elise. Beethoven was very much in love with someone probably named Elise, but there's speculation that it might have been a woman named Teresa or Therese, Elizabeth maybe. Regardless, he wrote this in 1810 when he was in love, and Beethoven was a little bit of an obsessive person. And I think we can all relate to that as human beings. We all get a little obsessed with certain things. Why I bring that up is because the main theme is a little bit obsessive. You'll be able to hear it. Right? It's like da 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 da. Like he's thinking about this woman named Elise. And what's so appropriate about this piece is that it starts on E for Elise. Also, I think of how the letter E is, right? E has the 3 lines. That's how many times you play that note E before you go on. Listen again. E, 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 da 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 da. I actually came up with some lyrics for it because it's kind of fun. A piece of music doesn't have lyrics, but I kind of try to get in the head of Beethoven. Imagine him being like, "Oh my Elise, I love you so much. You make me want to write love songs. Please, Elise, tell me that you love me too. My love so true, I live for you." I promise, that's all I'm gonna sing. So what I wanna do is I'm gonna play hands together, the full piece, and in all transparency, this is just the beginning part. There's 2 other contrasting sections that make up the full piece of Für Elise, and they're super cool. But in this video, I'm just going to focus on that first section, and then maybe in another video, I'll play the full piece. Here it is, hands together, the first section of Für Elise. I'm going to show you just the right hand, and we're going to go over the notes and the fingering so that we can play this smooth and connected sound. Legato. Right hand, what I'd like you to do, even if you don't have a full piano, find your middle C. That's always a good point of reference to begin with. So here on my piano, middle C looks like this. And it's in the middle of the piano, of course, that's why it's called middle C. You look for a group of 2 black keys. It's the white key to the left. So find that middle C. Excellent. And as we go forward in the alphabet, because what we want to do is find the note E for Elise, we go to the right on the piano. Go A, B, C, D, E. E is that white key to the right of a group of 2. We're not going to start on this particular E. For those of you that like to think in octaves, this is called E4. What I want you to find is E5. So what you do, you just look for that white key that looks exactly the same, but to the right. Here's E5. This is the note we'll start with. Find finger number 5, that's your pinky, and we're gonna put that right on that E5, high E for Elise. Your 4th finger, ring finger, is gonna be on that black key, right next to the E. This is called D sharp. Remember the E has 3 prongs? That's how many times we're gonna play that E. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, and see in between I play that D sharp. Try that again. E, D sharp, E, D sharp, E. Perfect. Then we go on. B, D, C, A. Excellent. Let's try that one more time. D sharp, E, D sharp, E, B, D, C, A. Lovely. One last time saying the fingers. 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 2, 4, 3, 1. I want to do that to point out how our fourth finger, did you notice that? Went from that black key D sharp to the D natural. One more time, saying the fingers. 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 2, 4, 3, 1. Excellent. Move to the left, down the piano, and we're going to put our thumb on middle C. Then stretch your two pointer finger to E as in Elise, and 4 on A, 5 on B. So let's say those letter names. C, E, A, B. Now let's say the fingers. 1, 2, 4, 5. Move your thumb to E for Elise. Now 2 is going to be on that middle black key of a group of 3. That's called G sharp. Then 4 on B, 5 on C. Say the letter names. E, G sharp, B, C. Fingers. 1, 2, 4, 5. What's great about this next part, your thumb stays on that E4 for a split second. You're going to stretch up to that high E. So let's try that. 1, 5. Here comes the 3 high E's again. D sharp, E, D sharp, E. Let's try that one more time. So starting from the E4 thumb, stretch up to the E5. There's the first time. D sharp, E, D sharp, E, B, D, C, A. Move our thumb to middle C. C, E, A, B. Thumb goes to E, E4, and then 5 on C, B, A. Again with the octave, so thumb on E, stretch up to that E5. 1, 5, high E, that's first time. D sharp, E, D sharp, E. C 3 times every time. B, D, C, A. Move down to middle C. C, E, A, B. Thumb on E4, E, G sharp, B, C. E, stretch up the octave. D sharp, E, D sharp, E 3 times. B, D, C, A. Middle C. C, E, A, B. Thumb on E. E, C, B, A. I'm going to play that all one more time. Play nice and slow, just the right hand. Not going to say any letters or fingers. Try to play along with me. Starting with our pinky, finger 5 on that E, 4th finger D sharp. Page 2 has this little transition, tiny little scale. Find your thumb and put it on B as in beautiful. And notice B is the white key to the right of a group of 3. B, C, D, E. Always back to that E for Elise. See the obsession, the in love quality with Elise. Fingering is 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumb on G for great. And we're going to keep our hand kind of stretched out. So we go G, F, E, D. Fingering is 1, 5, 4, 3. Good. Now keep that hand stretched out like that. Slide it down to the left, just one key. And you're going to go F, E, D, C. Same fingers. 1, 5, 4, 3. Go down one more piano key and start on E for Elise. This time E4. E, D, C, B. Let's try that one more time. B, C, D, E. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful. Stretch your thumb to the G and then keep your hand open like this. G, F, E, D. Slide down. F, E, D, C. Slide down. E, D, C, B. Great. Now we get to stretch the octave, and this time we're gonna play this octave 3 times. There's a magic number 3 in this piece. E, E, first time, E, E, 2, E, E. It's like the beginning where we have the D sharp E, and we're gonna play that high E, you guessed it, 3 times again. D sharp E, D sharp E, D sharp E, B, D, C, A. Thumb to middle C, C, E, A, B. Thumb to E for Elise, E, G sharp, E, C. E4, stretch up the octave, to E5, D sharp, E, that's the second time, D sharp, E. And then we go, B, D, C, A. Thumb on middle C, C, E, A, B. E, C, B, A. Beautiful. Repeat begins with that scale up. B, C, D, E. Try to play along with me. We'll start thumb, finger 1 on B as in beautiful. And on that really high A, right up there. Technically that would be A5 for those of you that like the octaves. That is the right hand to Für Elise. Now I'd like to show you the left hand. Left hand's a little bit less complicated. It only uses 4 chords. Page 1 uses actually only 2 of the 4 chords. So the first chord is A, E, A. And to really see it as a chord, because typically when we think of chords, we think of this stuff, right? All together. So what we're doing, we're taking this A, E, A chord and breaking it up. This is called arpeggiated or arpeggio. So we go A, E, A, bottom to top. The second chord we get to play is G sharp, E, G sharp. G sharp is the middle black key of a group of 3. Notice the common note between those 2 chords is E. E for Elise again. But I like to remember that to keep that as an anchor, because then it's easier to feel. Those are the 2 chords on page 1. The only other 2 chords, they occur on page 2. Next chord goes from C, G to middle C. See how Beethoven has us stretching out a little bit. And then the second chord, B, G, B. The common note between those 2 chords is that G as in great. Review. There's the A chord and then the G sharp, E, G sharp chord. It's not really necessary to show you the whole left hand because it's literally just rest, rest, rest. Rest, 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 right? It will make a lot more sense when I put it with the right hand because what the left hand acts as like an accompaniment, a filler. Here's the beginning. The first chord we get to play is at A, E, A. The right hand will play the E, D sharp, E, D sharp, E, B, D, C. When I play this A, that's when left hand comes in with the A, E, A. Let's try that again. Gorgeous. And then right hand goes to that middle C. When I play this B, that's when I play G sharp. So, see, kind of answers. And then goes to E. Then when I play the C, then I go back to the A, E, A. The beginning phrase, the first main idea, the left hand goes from A to that G sharp, back to A. Let's try that again at the very beginning. Next phrase starts with that octave, but once I hit that high E, then I think, okay, the 3 E's in a row. 1, 2, 3, da, 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 A, G sharp, A. There you go. Next phrase There's that octave again, and I think 3 high E's again. 1, 2, 3, da da da, A, G sharp, A, octave, 1, 2, 3, A, G sharp, A. Second page incorporates C, G, C, and then the B, G, B, and then just keeps traveling down. Next chord is that A, E, A, and then G sharp. It answers the right hand each time. Here's that walk up, the little transition, B, C, D, and then when I play this E, that's when I do the C. B, C, D, E, B, and A, G sharp. See how the hands are kind of like slowly following each other down a little bit. Let's try that one more time. So from the walk up, from B as in beautiful, and now the 3 octave E's, E for Elise, like 1, 2, 3. Now we incorporate that D sharp and we play another 3 high E's. 1, 2, 3, then back to like the beginning. A, G sharp, A, octave, 1, 2, 3, A, G sharp, A. Great, now I'm gonna do that walk up, and this time I'm not gonna say anything. I'm gonna play nice and slow and you play along with me. Walk up from B as in beautiful. I'm just ending it on A. A friendly reminder, this is just section A, or the first part of Für Elise. In another video, I'm going to play the whole thing with all the different 3 contrasting sections. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn the first section of Für Elise with me. It was very fun showing you and breaking up the hands. And let me know if you have any questions or if you want me to go over anything in particular about Für Elise or another piece that you might want me to break down and show you the hands separate and all that. If you haven't already, subscribe and click that like button. Check out our website, descormedia.com, and please follow us on Facebook and Instagram. I hope that was helpful, and happy practicing. Hope to see you in the next one.